What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. And man, this is probably one of the most litest POVs y'all boy been waiting to see. You know what I'm saying? Y'all love when I do these. I ain't gonna talk too much. We're gonna get straight into it. I ain't trying to waste too much time, man. I got stuff to do, man. I gotta upload, you know what I'm saying? So we recording every day, posting every day. Welcome to my vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? Cari Beats, you feel me? If you're new, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man. I'm gonna get straight into it. Drifting Every Turn. I am the founder of Drifting Every Turn. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know, now you do know. We finna just find some turns to drift, you know what I'm saying? Or slide. We slide in every turn, but you know, I just call them drifting. I'm not doing this one though, cause this dip is too severe. I ain't gonna talk too much once I start, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Sliding in the trenches, man. I ain't did this in so long. I ain't even sliding on for real that time. One of the most loudest scats. I see what's going on, man. I see what's going on, man. There's a pothole. Dang, y'all looking. There's a pothole right there. I saw. Pothole right there, I was gonna hit that mother. I ain't trying to tear nothing up now. I ain't trying to tear nothing up now. Hold on, man. Let me turn around. I'm on the wrong side of town, but I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, car crew. Let me get right, bro. Let me get right. Let me get right, man. I ain't trying to be over there, bitch. No way. Hold on, bro. Olivia got me bent, bro. I know for a fact Olivia ain't doing me like this on no video, bro. I know she not. Come on, boy. Olivia, you gotta get right now. Olivia, you gotta get right now. You tripping. She got a little sideways now, like, dang, boy, is it my shoes? Like, what's up, man? Is it my shoes or what? Like, yeah. They keep being in second. How does it end up in second? My bad job, bro. This bitch, I'm doing horrible. This bitch keep ending up in second. For whatever reason, I don't know, but this seatbelt choking a nigga, but god damn. My bad. I'll make sure y'all can still see. That's crazy. I don't know why Olivia. I guess it had been a while. She may be a little rusty. She's probably scared. I don't know, man. She gotta tighten up though. You know what I'm saying? I won't even do that, man. I won't even play like that, man. I won't even play like that, Liv. Come on, man. We need a banger. We need a banger safely, but you know what I'm saying? We need a banger, man. I just love how that mug get like, it get loose, but the car's so heavy, bro. The car's so heavy, like you can't, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta, really, bro, have the steering wheel pointed where the nose of the car pointing at, bro, to be honest. If you don't wanna, like, you know what I'm saying, oversteer and tell something up, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all boys, y'all will hit that bit. And y'all boys will be like, the nose this way. Y'all keeping the wheel turning, you know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta kind of like the opposite a little bit, but not too much. Just a little bit. As far as you gotta turn the wheel, bro, like by like this. When that mug skating like that, that's about the farthest you gotta turn it, you know what I'm saying? That's about it, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Yeah, like that mug pointing a little too low. But yeah, man, I don't, excuse Olivia, I don't know why she was, I don't know what was going on, bro. She was not trying to slide, bro. She kept being in second when I first do it. That's why I wouldn't do it. I'm just like, dang, Olivia. She would get away from you, though. That first little turn when I turned it, that's why I let the car, you gotta let the steering wheel roll through your hand, bro. Then when you need to just catch that mud, just, you just let that mud slide through your hand, bro, and just, you know what I'm saying? Catch it when it need to be. They ain't that light long. But yeah, man, we posting every day up until Christmas, bro. I decided I'm gonna do it up until Christmas. I'm gonna be busy Christmas, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that, man. Hopefully y'all have a great Christmas, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I have a great Christmas as well. You know what I'm saying? Find a few more turns for y'all boys, you know? I'm gonna be through, man. We ain't making this video too long, you know what I'm saying? Is it? No, I don't want it to be that one. Nah. That probably would have been a good one. I'm gonna turn right here, though. I can't even slide this turn if I wanted to. Oh, come on, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna slide that one. Okay, it's gonna kick. I don't want to kick out too far with these cars right here. I made some noise with that bit. I made some noise with that bit. Throttle control. Boy, got the White House out here. Throttle control, man. Throttle control, y'all, boy. That's it. Throttle control. Throttle control and a little patience, man. Throttle control and a little patience. By the way, bro, I still don't be pushing this mud to the floor. Like, I know folk be hating, be like, man, yes you do. No, I don't, bro. I really don't. If I push Olivia to the floor, bro, in a turn like that, bro, I'm going, the whole car turning around, like, for sure. If not, I ain't gonna say turn around, but if I, like, push it to the floor and hold it until it kick, and then get off, yeah, that mud, nah, see. Oh, y'all boy gotta learn your whip set, man. I be having folks trying to tell me, I ain't gonna lie, boy. This little circle right here, I ain't know they had it. Why my seat? Come on, now chill out. Boy, dang, my bad job, bro. Hold on. I ain't trying to. But yeah, boy, the little circle right here, fat, boy. Ooh, wee, man. I can't do it, bro. Not right here. It's too. I don't know. I gotta learn. You know what I'm saying? The area and all that. Oh yeah, I definitely can slide. But what? I can slide that bit, bro. Off of just doing that right there, just turn around it. I can definitely slide that mother, bro. No lie. I wonder what happens if I just hit it with traction. I hate when that red line, bro. It's like it kick, everything just stop. Like you can feel the wheels do like that. Oh shit. Boy, I wasn't even looking, boy. I was looking, but like, I was okay, it's a stop sign. I was like, wait a minute, this is the main road. Yeah, man. This ain't going as planned. Cause like I don't know why Olivia was acting like that. I don't know why Olivia was acting like that, man. You know what I'm saying? She acting a little shy, man. She acting a little shy. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. But she was. I don't know if I might be done. I give y'all, boy, I don't know. It might be it, I don't know. I won't try to make the video too long, man. I might do this video again. You know what I'm saying? Sliding every turn, drifting every turn. I was in the trenches a little bit. I was kind of in the hood, but you know, we out of there. Had to turn the green screen off. You know what I'm saying? Highly edited. You know what I'm saying? Video is highly edited, bro. I just don't add no edits. Well, like you can tell it edited. It's just so smooth. Everything just go together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Like when I pause and be talking and I stop talking, that's an edit, bro. It just look like, you know what I'm saying, the video's still going. This ain't even real. Well, not that part. That part wasn't real. That part real. But y'all let me know what downshifts in an automatic car sound good like that, bro. And the paddle shift car, we ain't talking about manuals. Ain't none of them snappy like that. Even with a Mustang, bro, in sport mode, whatever mode is in, like, them 10 speed, when you downshift them, bro, like, they downshift, but they just not, they don't have that snap, but like, you know what I'm saying, that aggressive. It's just like, it's a downshifting. You know what I'm saying? And it just be very high pitch. When this mud downshift, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, get out the way, ludicrous, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. That's probably it. Get y'all boys a little pull or something. Let me get y'all know more of these are gonna come. But boy, when I get that cat, that's what I'm trying to get y'all to subscribe, man. I need y'all to subscribe, not before the cat, so y'all see me up until the point I get the cat, bro. Them sliding every turn gonna be crazy. Sliding every turn gonna be crazy. Like, y'all know y'all wanna look at this man, bro. Y'all know y'all wanna hear that whine, bro, with that, you know, sliding turn, man. I know y'all do, bro. When I get that cat, what? It's gonna be. And that's how them nigga be though. That's how them nigga be for real. The cats, how the cats be. Get one though, y'all boy. Y'all boy, just wait, man. Hellcat on the way. Hellcat card coming soon. SRT card, 707 card, 717 card, 797 card. You don't know yet. We don't know yet. Just know that mother is coming, boy. Olivia's popping. yeah, man. That probably gonna be a wrap, man. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to give y'all a little, you know, sliding every turn, man. I was trying to, but Olivia was acting like she didn't want to do so. But, you know, it's all good, man. You know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. But, nevertheless, man, make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys, make sure y'all keep chasing y'all dreams, man. Stay motivated, stay hungry, bro. You know what I'm saying? Keep that drive, keep that momentum. You know what I'm saying? Just keep that drive, man. Stick 'em. But yeah, man. Nevertheless, like I said, it's gonna be a wrap, man. Make sure y'all stay motivated, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, stay blessed for all my religious vote, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? And y'all boys just, you know, stay out of the way, man. Stay out of trouble. Try your best to do the right thing the best way you can. You know we can't do everything correctly or perfectly. So y'all boys just try y'all best. You know what I'm saying? In life and just, I don't know, man. I mean, I know, but just like I'm trying to put my words together, but you know, just y'all boys just stay safe out here, man. In these streets, man, getting a little wicked sometime outside. So y'all boys just stay prayed up, man, and stay out of the way. Know what I do. But nevertheless, man, like I say, also not the end of my videos, man. I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.